Begin by removing the upper link arm on the driver's side. Using an air hammer, remove the pressed-on bushing from the ear on the housing. Deburr the hole on the ear if necessary. Drive the new Johnny joint into the housing ear with the supplied tool from the wheel side of the ear. Reinstall the upper control arm using the supplied greasable bolt. On the passenger side, remove the upper link arm from the bushing tower and measure from the top of the housing to the measurements listed in the instructions. Next, cut and remove the top half of the bushing tower and prep the area to accept the Johnny joint tower. Then weld in the Johnny joint to the bushing tower. Finish by reinstalling the upper link arm with a supplied serviceable bolt from the kit.
To purchase this product or for more information, visit RockJock4x4.com. Also, follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and of course, here on YouTube. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to keep up with all our videos.